The purpose is to create this video, my friend, to tell you how you should begin your journey. Why? Because I am experienced person in this language, and how I began my journey I will tell you, so that you can get the ideas and you will learn from my mistake what I had done and you should not do in your journey when you are going to begin your journey. My friend, if I talk about me, so when I started my journey, that time I started without a strategy and plan. And there was one reason why, because there were not a lot of videos on YouTube and no one was around me in around me also, and any kind of information I didn't have through friend anything. Only I was alone to learn this language. I had decided and I was alone. So it was difficult for me to know how I should start, and moreover I was truly beginner. I didn't know anything else in English, and any kind of ideas also I didn't have. That's why I started my journey randomly without plan, strategy, and because of that, my friend, I wandered 1 month here and there only for knowing what should I do for learning English. And I used to ask to the people what should I do, how I should learn, and I used to search on YouTube so many information and write them down and you know do those kind of practice. Even in my initial time I watched 3 4 5 movie in English that was totally against, because I was not able to understand even a single thing word also in that. But I heard from somewhere, if you really want to learn this language, then watch movie. How did you learn your language? You listen, then you learned your language, your native language. I thought, yeah, it's true. I heard while talking, my family member and society. So movie is same, the mirror of society, let's watch it. And I spent time over there and everything. But my friend, in your case, I don't want you to do this. I want you should have the plan, strategy before begin your journey. Why? Because if you start your journey without plan and strategy, so you will waste your energy and time in wandering here and there. So firstly you should have the plan. And for this, my friend, I want to give one example. For instance, you have to go Delhi. You have never ever gone. Let's suppose you have never ever gone Delhi, but you want to go and see, and so many people went over there. You also want, so you have the strong desire to go over there, and you started your journey without plan, that how you will go, which train you will catch, where you will stay, everything without planning. You just started your journey. So my friend, let's suppose you will reach there, but I'm sure you also know that you are going to wander a lot. You are going to meet with a lot of challenges, lot of difficulties in your way. Why? Because you are going one unknown place, and over there you don't know anything else, and you also don't have any information and all. You didn't plan and all, just you started. So in that case, it's really that you are going to meet with lots of challenges, difficulty, and maybe somehow you reach there, but you will waste your time and all. But coming to go with plan, like you have desire, you want to go, you want to visit, and for that you gather the information, all the information, that from where you will start, which train go, how many trains are there to go, where you will stay, everything, each and everything you planned. You get the information, you asked. Now you are going for your journey. So tell me, will first one be easy or second one? I know your answer is second one. Why? Because you are already pre-planned. You know where you have to stay, where you have to catch, how you are going to visit, everything. So here you are going to meet less challenges, less difficult, and you know your destination, all the step you know. So only you have to follow, only you have to take and do. So my friend, that's why I'm telling. In case of me, I didn't have, I wanted. But in case of you, there are a lot of videos, content available on YouTube. So firstly, you should gather the information that from where and how you should start. What should be the first step? Everything. And moreover, you should also know that how much knowledge you have. You are truly beginner, or really you have little bit of basic knowledge about it. You understand, you are not able to speak. Such kind of knowledge you should have about you first. Then you know plan your journey, how you will begin your English journey, and then make the segment. See, English journey is a long journey, big journey. So you have to make it in segment, in part, where you will start, from where you will begin, then what would be next step, then another step. That's how. So it will be clear cut way to go steadily, not wander here and there. And that's how you will meet with less challenges, difficulty, and you will have to work hard, and have the patience. Definitely, my friend, easily you will reach to your destination. You will speak this language, become a fluent speaker. So that's why, my friend, it's very very important to have the plan, a strategy before begin your journey. Whether you are going to begin your traveling journey or English journey, you have to follow same rule for both. You should have the plan, a strategy. So my friend, definitely do this. This is very very important. Otherwise you will waste your time, energy. You will wander here and there if you start randomly. And this time you should not make this mistake. Why? Because a lot of content are available how you should begin. So take time, make the strategy, plan. It's good, and then start. Otherwise, if you start randomly, you will have to give time, waste your time in wandering. So you are smart enough, intelligent enough, and I know what you will choose. You will choose right way to begin your journey. So my friends, that's what I wanted to tell you, and I don't want you to do this mistake. So start your journey with a strategy, plan, and reach to your destination. Speak English with clear cut way, easy way. So I hope, my friend, you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.